You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city in Ukraine, as well as how to say more interesting but confusing Ukrainian names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. Vinnytsia, Vinnytsia is how it is said correctly. Easy, Vinnytsia. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of cities in Ukraine and Ukrainian names that many get wrong. Thanks for your support. Like this video if you found it useful, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.